Hi, this is Sam from MINGDA. Today I would like to have a brief introduction of MINGDA MD663 printer. MINGDA MD663 printer is the industrial grade level 3D printer. The working area is 600 by 600 by 600 millimeter. X, Y, Z axis all are linear category. Here has a big model printing. Yeah, you can check. You can see the printing performance. It is very good, very smoothly. It's a big model. Let's see how long time it has been printed. Yeah, you can see. Wow, it has been printed 167 hours. It's a long time. The machine no stop working. It is working very hard. MD663 printer has three most very useful functions. Firstly, the machine will resume to print once power off, so you no need to worry about no power. Secondly, the machine has filament detect sensor. If no filament, the machine will pause. Thirdly, the machine will automatically turn off after finishing printing. MD663 printer is very stable for large-scale models. If you are interested, welcome to contact with us. Bye.